A drought spell in Kenya over 30 years ago was the genesis behind Kirtesh Shah's venture into the animal feeds manufacturing business.
Many years ago in Kenya, we had big problem of food security. So I loved cattle, poultry. That was my passion. And then I said, why don't I go deep into the animal feed business? 30 years ago, I started with a very small hammer mill and a mixer, which I was doing 1 ton per hour.
Fast-tracked today, from a 1-ton production capacity per hour, the company has increased production to 10 tons per hour due to high demand, which by far outweighs their current supply.
I've increased my capacity. And you see, and bringing new technology of pelletizing and extrusion lines, specialized line for feed industry. And the demand is always increasing. You see, people are eager to see new products in the market. That is the tech which has given us to be ahead of other people in the market.
Despite the blossoming success, Kirtesh has had his fair share of challenges.
The biggest challenge is consistency of getting raw material is the biggest challenge which we are facing. Especially, we don't grow cotton in this country. Sunflower, in many years ago we used to grow, but not at the moment. So most of it we are depending on our neighboring countries like Uganda and Tanzania.
Over and above production inputs, introduction of the value-added tax for animal feeds is significantly impacting this venture.
The government has increased the VAT in the animal feed industry. We have seen the drop of farmers going down as low as 50%. And that has really got a negative impact on the industry, you see. Most of the feed millers are now running about 40 to 50% capacity.
Despite these setbacks, he is optimistic that his venture will grow in the foreseeable future. So what's his advice to other entrepreneurs?
It's better a person to start small and grow with the business and have interest on the business. So those are the people who can carry on the business for future, you see. Problem if you are jumping from here to there and you don't know what you are doing, that is the biggest challenge the entrepreneur will face. But if you want to be doing something, you could stick to something which you are going to do for long term.